And the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna print out the date. That's why I'm just gonna copy this printf statement and paste it in the next line, and we're gonna say date. It's gonna be next, if you guys want to get the year first, then you need to use tm underscore year. And now open up the time.h. So you guys can see here, the tm underscore year is used to get the year, and also it returns the years since 1900. So it's gonna return the current year minus 1900, and it's gonna be 2013 minus 1900, 113. But we want the year in the form of 2013. That's why what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1900 to this year. That's why it's gonna be local arrow operator time underscore year plus 1900, and then we're gonna get the month. So it's gonna be tm underscore month, mon, and also it returns the month since January. So January is going to be 0. So we don't want to print month as 0 for January. We want to print it 1 for January, 2 for February, and like that. That's why we need to add 1 to that. So I'm going to refer tm underscore mon for month, and I'm going to add 1 to it. And next we're going to get the date. So you guys can see here, we need to use tm underscore mday. So no change in that one, mday. That's it. I'm gonna save this one, execute, compile. Okay, before that we're gonna add a new line here, compile and run. So you guys can see here, the time is 10:58 and 53 seconds, and the date is 2013, which is the year, and the month 9, which is September, and the date is 55. That's the today's date, month, and year. And also next we're gonna use this tm underscore w day, which is the days since Sunday, and also we're gonna use this tm underscore y day, which is the days since January 1. And also note that if it is January 1, then it's gonna return a value of 0. So we don't want that. Days since Sunday. If you guys want to count from the Monday, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, then you don't need to add any values to this value. Else, if you want to count from the Sunday, we need to add. So I'm gonna print out that 2 values. That's why I'm gonna write a printf statement here. So it's gonna be printf. This is the %d day of this year. So here we're gonna refer local arrow operator and tm underscore y day, and also I said that for January 1 it's gonna return a value of 0. That's why we need to add 1 to it. So I'm gonna add that one here. And okay, now I'm gonna copy this one and paste it in the new line, and we're gonna get the day of this week. This is the %d day of this week. And also you can see here, if you want to get the day since the Sunday, then you need to use tm underscore w day. And also it's gonna return a value of 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday, and similarly 6 for Saturday. So I'm gonna get the day from Monday. It means Monday equal to 1, Tuesday equal to 2. That's why I'm gonna use tm underscore w day. So it's gonna be tm underscore w day, and I'm not gonna add a number to it. Okay, and let me add a new line here, and also one here, and also another new line here. And we're gonna use one more printf statement at the beginning, just to make things pretty. And we're gonna say local time using local time function. That's pretty cool, huh? Let me add a new line, save this work, and execute, compile and run. So you can see here local time using the local time function. Time is 11 hour 54 minutes and 45 seconds. Date is 2013. 9 is the month and 25 is the date, and this is a 268th day of this year, and also this is the third day of this week, because this is Wednesday, and you can count Monday equal to 1, Tuesday equal to 2, and Wednesday equal to 3. Okay, now I'm gonna close this one. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how to use this gmtime function. So if you guys can remember, then I told that the gmtime function is gonna return the time in UTC format, which is the Greenwich Mean Time. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy these statements and paste that in the next line, and here we need to change this local to gm, and here this local time to gm time, because we are using the gm time to get the UTC time or the Greenwich Mean Time. And next we need to change all these things to gm time, or let's say UTC time and date using gmtime function. So here also I'm going to change this one to local time and date using the local time function. Okay, now here we need to change all this local reference to gm. So I'm going to pause the movie and change all this local reference to the gm. Okay, now I have changed all this local reference to gm here. So now if I save this program and compile and run, so you can see here local time and date using the local time function. The time is 12, which is the hour, then 0 minute and 41 seconds. Date is 2013, which is the year. 9 is the month and 25 is the date. Next this is the 268th day of this year. Next this is the third day of this week. Next UTC time and date using the gmtime function. Time is 6 hour 30 minutes and 41 seconds, which is the Greenwich Mean Time. And also date and all these things are common. So this is it, guys. This is how you can use the time, local time and gmtime function in C. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.